Hello guys, welcome back to Apprentices Club. Today we're going to solve another tutorial name called a Nextsploit. So what is this a Nextsploit? Nextsploit is a command line tool designed to detect an exploit in the Next.js. So this tool is first identifying the target of the website is running on the Next.js and determines whether its version falls within the vulnerable range. If the website is configured to be a vulnerable, the tool automatically attempts to exploit and issue the bypassing of the middleware protections. Potentially grants a unauthorized access to restrict the pages. Now, what are the main features we can get here? So the main features we can get here like a automated Next.js version detection, then vulnerability assessment and middleware exploitation test. It will attempt to exploit a new CVE vulnerability using a middleware headers. Automated Chrome browser launches open the targeted URL with the necessary headers pre-configured to bypass a authentications. And also we would like to look like a mass URL scanning allows a scanning for multiple URLs simultaneously. So what is required for this? Like Python, Selenium, Chrome driver, Gecko driver, Weblaser, CLI, and Google Chrome. So in Kali Linux, Google Chrome is already inbuilt, the updated one. Now, we would like to open the terminal. Now, let's try to come back here. So this is the next exploit. Try to copy this one. Come back here. Now just type here as git clone and paste this repository. Now, we just going to here as a exploit. Now just type here as list minus l. Just type here as pip3 install minus r requirements.txt. Now, we would like to go for installation of the requirements.txt. Then later we just type it as list minus a. Then we would like to try here as a Python 3 nextsploit.python. Oh, sorry, I was wrong. Now it will check all these things. Weblaser, requesters, Colorama, Selenium, Probe Toolkit is already installed. Now it will launch the tool. So if you have the list of the URL files, you need to specify the path. Otherwise, you just try to enter the targeted website. I would like to enter like tryhackme.com for just a reference. Now, we would like to go for as a full detect. Now, it will try to scan full of the targeted website. Then we would like to try to get here. So even if they have like a Cloudflare or something detections, so that will be get not to be that will be ban our IP address to get to over there. Now just type here Python 3 nextsploit.python. So it may take a little bit lengthy time process. Now we would like to try to enter our own targeted websites here. Otherwise, we would like to put here as a HTTPS. I would like to utilize a Vercel app, vercel.com. I would like to try here as a fast. Then we would like to look here. This website is not based on Next.js. Okay, quite good. So, uh, we would like to look which type of Next.js targeted website is there. Then I would like to utilize here, we would like to go here. Next.js is used on this website, but the version information is not available. In the version is going to be used. Okay, so version is not detecting. So it's also quite good. We would like to try here as a night.com. I would like to utilize here. Then let's try to come back here. I would like to utilize here as HTTPS Spotify.com. So in the Spotify.com, it's going to be utilize the same thing. Wasser.com, invalid choice. Okay, let me just try here. Now we would like to go here as a balanced one. Okay, so now we would like to go here as for balanced. We would like to look here. The scan type is balanced. Here also the same thing. Here is night.com. Now we would like to look here as Python 3 Nextsploit.python. So this website is not by Next.js. Okay, it was identifying everything clearly. Next.js is used on this website, but the version information is not available. So you can see here Next.js is get here, but the version is not get here. Now we would like to try here as another one. I would like to try here as a Netflix.com. So if you get here the targeted version, then we are ready to get everything informations, then way to exploit it this one. So utilizing with this CVE 2025-29927, we can also get here a somewhat information. We would like to look here. You can study this here. In this case, no, CV 2025 29927. So in this case, we would like to look here. So this Next.js uses as a internal header, like a middleware, a sub request. You can look here, vulnerability overview. So where you can get like a dashboard with the PHP with abc.com, accept language, that's quite good. Then if you try from post to a get, you can try to get a somewhat interesting things, a temporary redirect. It will be temporary redirect to the XYZ. You don't require like any other things like a login credentials if it a premium XYZ things. It will temporarily redirect to XYZ places. So it's going to be work like uh, if your server is Nginx, uh, then it's quite good. It identifies the web server softwares and everything. And it will be temporarily redirect to the any other targeted pages, any other targeted website. You may can get the bounty also. You can look here a dashboard. that you get like 200. Okay, so that is automatically redirecting to the dashboard without a login credentials. Let's would like to look here. This website is not based on the Next.js. That's it. So you try to run, guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.